This ominous circling of birds can mean only one thing. There has been a kill. These opportunistic scavengers have swarmed to the site of a kill to try and steal some free food. The victim is the African buffalo, which was killed by the hyenas. This gruesome and bloody sight is common in the wilds of Africa. Scavenger birds like the marabou and vultures congregate at the top of this tree, waiting their turn to grab some meat. These marabou are primarily wading birds, but are never ones to turn down a free meal. Scavenging takes far less effort and expends far less energy, so most animals will take the opportunity if it arises. This hyena tries his best to fend the vultures off, knowing they will quickly eat his food. The vultures are persistent, though. It'll take more than that to scare them away from a meal. The vulture's determination eventually pays off, and while the hyenas are busy tucking in, the vultures make their move and swarm on the carcass. Although the marabous are taller than the vultures, they can't match them in terms of aggression and forcefulness, and are forced to watch from the sidelines. The savannah is quiet in the baking afternoon sun. The wildebeest are still migrating. These are blue wildebeests, and they are making the long, exhausting migration across land during the dry season in order to find fresh grass for feeding. During this migration, wildebeest can be very vulnerable to predators such as leopards, cheetahs, spotted hyenas, and the wily Nile crocodile. Wildebeest tend to group together in large herds when the chances of being attacked by a predator are high. This herd is already spotted by a leopard high in the trees. It is noticed that one of the wildebeests has an injured leg. This will make it far easier for her to catch and kill the animal. Her demeanor changes almost instantly from that of a lazy cat to that of a highly motivated and skilled killer. She quickly climbs down from her lookout post and into the undergrowth. The leopard moves swiftly and efficiently, treading gently to avoid making noise. She's keeping a low profile to avoid any attention from the wildebeest. The vultures know what is about to happen and amass in the hope of a free meal. She makes sure to stay in the long grass, using her camouflaged fur to maximum effect. She pounces instantly and goes straight for the wildebeest's neck. Her jaws clamp shut around the wildebeest's windpipe in order to suffocate the animal. The vultures have watched the entire violent episode and know that a meal is well on its way. The leopard finishes the hunt by carrying the wildebeest into the long grass to hide it from scavengers and other predators. Leopards like to store their kills away so that they can eat them over an extended period. Sometimes they will have several stored at once and will feed between them. Leopards have to make sure that these carcasses are extremely well hidden, or as we've just seen, there are countless scavengers in this habitat, hungry and willing to eat anything they can find.